What's up, everybody? Adam Doud here. I am not doing any B-roll. I am not doing any A-roll. I'm not doing any takes. I am just, this is just going to go how well it goes. So I am here at the Motorola event in New York City. They are launching the new Motorola RAZR family, which is going to include the Moto RAZR Ultra, the Moto RAZR Plus, and the Moto RAZR. But that's not all that they're launching, because they also have the Moto Loop Buds, Moto Buds Loop. And these are open ear earbuds that clip onto your ear, and they have Swarovski crystal embedded into the thing, just in case you want to be shiny. I don't know. They work for 38 hours. They have 38 hours of battery life with the case. Not a lot of other details about them just yet. Next up, we have the Moto Watch Fit. This is it kind of looks like an Apple Watch, but this is an RTOS device that Motorola is building to go along with its ecosystem. It has customized proprietary attachment, but it also you can also get 22 millimeter lug adapters, so you can fit any band that you want on it. 16-day battery life, but again, it's RTOS, so it's not going to be as extensive as, say, the OnePlus Watch 3. And then finally, we have the Moto RAZR Plus and the Moto RAZR. These are both kind of refreshes of the 2024 phones. The Moto RAZR Plus in particular is basically the 2024 version of the Moto RAZR Plus, with just a very few enhancements. There's a new titanium hinge, which is stronger. The new generation of Moto RAZRs, all of them have IP48 dust and water resistance, so that's up from IPX8 from last year. And I have some other notes, but the details on these phones are pretty scarce at the moment. They're going to be emailing them to us tomorrow when this video actually drops, so maybe then I'll actually be able to talk intelligently about them. But for now, they're very similar to what you had last year. In particular, I like this iridescent cover on the Moto RAZR. It's very pretty, very white. I like it. Finally, we have the Moto RAZR Ultra. Pricing hasn't been announced for this yet, but the grapevine seems to suggest it's going to be somewhere between $1,000 and $1,300. This is the world's first full flip phone with a triple 50 megapixel camera system, so 50, 50, and 50. This is also a 7-inch display as opposed to the 6.9-inch displays that you get on the other RAZRs, so it's a little bit bigger. The back of the phone is Alcantara, which, according to Motorola, is the first phone to use Alcantara, if I'm pronouncing that right. I don't know if I am or not, but that's the beauty of live video. Anyway, this phone also is the only RAZR phone with an AI button, which is right here. That is the button that you can press if you want to do Catch Me Up, or if you want to do Remember This. These are various Motorola AI enhancements that Motorola is rolling out to its future phones, including some other phones that were teased today that are right over there that I can't show you. Anyway, all of these accessories are coming out very soon. We don't have any specific pricing or availability on any of these devices, but I'm just gonna pick this phone up because I just like the white iridescent, kind of like a seashell kind of back to it. And this is the Moto RAZR Ultra. I'm fine, really I am. And that's going to be your look at the new RAZR family coming from Motorola. Oh, hi there. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, then you obviously liked what you saw. So why not take it a few small steps further? How about you drop a thumbs up on this video and maybe hit that subscribe button?
And while you're there, move that pointer over a few pixels and click the bell. All of that will ensure that we get noticed on the YouTubes, and we can make more of these videos just for you.
And if you want to go even a little bit further, you can head over to patreon.com/benefitofthedoud and sign up for as little as just $2 per month. And for that, you'll get early access to our videos and some bonus content that we don't show on the main channel.
Plus, we're cooking up new perks and benefits all the time. So go to patreon.com/benefitofthedoud and sign up today.
That's patreon.com/benefitofthedoud. And as always, we thank you for watching and for giving us the benefit of the Doud.